G'day everyone, welcome to this week's video. Currently on a road trip in the caravan and car, and we're travelling around the bottom of the snowy region and heading towards Victoria to hopefully photograph some autumn colour down there. So we're just camping on the way, grabbing the camera and any opportunities we get along the way to take some images I'm going to include in this video, so stick around for our trip. Hopefully we've got a couple of weeks ahead of us down this way capturing some autumn colour.
Welcome to Paddy River Falls. I hope you can hear me over the waterfall behind me. This is a waterfall just outside of Tumbarumba in New South Wales. And we've come out here to shoot this waterfall this afternoon because we've got perfect conditions. We've got overcast grey skies. So I thought it'd be a nice spot to come out to. There's a chasm here, or a bit of an overhang of rock that's really making the sound even louder than what it normally would be, so I hope you can hear me. But I've got my first composition set up. I'm going to shoot a horizontal compositions at the falls, and at the moment I'm just shooting it around a quarter of a second, see what I can come up with. Grab my first image, come back and talk to you some more. So I've got my first shot for this afternoon here, and it's been a vertical composition at f10 at a quarter of a second, and I'm just experimenting with my shutter speeds, but a quarter of a second at the moment seems to be the ultimate to keep it nice and sharp and keep the detail in the water of the waterfall. I'm just going to walk down a little bit closer onto some of these shiny black rocks and see if I can get another composition up a little bit closer to the waterfall.
Due to the large amount of water coming over the falls and the spray, it was really difficult to try and access any other composition other than by the side of the falls. The steep banks in front of the falls themselves provide difficult access and make it nearly impossible to get any other compositions other than those taken with a drone.
So we're right down close to the falls now. I'm just going to get one more composition in a little bit close, because there's a lot of spray coming off the waterfalls here, and it's really difficult to shoot without getting any water vapour on the lens. Going to set up a last composition here and see how we go.
Well, after a frantic morning yesterday out at Paddy River Falls, we've come back into Tumbarumba, and I'm going to do a walk around the town and try and capture some of this autumn colour. This afternoon I'm just going to walk around with the 100 to 400 GM lens and the Sony A7RIV and just carry that on my hip, do some handheld shot, try and capture some of the beauty of this stunning little town. Beautiful sunny afternoon here, the colour in the trees are amazing. The things you see while you're walking the streets here, I've just found this beautiful old stone hut on the hillside here at Tumbarumba, and it's behind a set of houses, so I'm going to grab a shot of it with the 100 to 400 and zoom in on it and try and get a shot for you. But yeah, just stunning little hut. I've been looking at that hut all day long, and I wanted to make sure I get a shot of it before the light dies here this afternoon. So going to take a walk inside the oval here, and just autumn colour everywhere and absolutely beautiful. The leaves still falling. Well, probably close to the peak for the autumn colour here in Tumbarumba, but yeah, nice cool afternoon, very sunny here, and some beautiful contrasting colours around the area. To be honest, photographing autumn colour is not as straightforward as it would seem. there's always seemed to be some distractions or something that gets in the road, so by using the 100-400 and zooming right in, I'm actually getting some tighter compositions and probably more abstract, but still able to pick up some of the beautiful colours of these trees that are losing their foliage. Really seems like we've came here at the peak time for the autumn colour. I've just taken a shot here of this beautiful tree here with all this gorgeous yellow and orange colour in the background, and I'll be able to create a starburst by zooming in using the 100-400. Tumbarumba this afternoon is just in perfect autumn colour, and it's something new for me, something that I don't normally always do, and being able to get out and shoot this autumn colour has been something really special. The late afternoon light just absolutely gorgeous here this afternoon at Tumbarumba. There's a couple more shots I'd like to get along the riverbank over here, so I'm going to head over there as the sun's getting a little bit low in the sky, grab a couple more shots. I really enjoyed this afternoon, getting out and I guess you would call them abstract images of this autumn colour. It's been a whole heap of fun. Guys, that was a great afternoon here shooting some autumn colour here in Tumbarumba and Paddy River Falls. Hopefully we're moving on towards bright tomorrow, and that'll probably be in the next vlog. Guys, you know what to do. If you've enjoyed this video, go down below, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, then please subscribe, tap that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Comments or questions, leave them below. I'll always try and respond. Hopefully I'll be around shooting some more landscape soon. I'll see you then. Using the row of trees as a canopy, and we've got this beautiful sunshine just coming through on the right hand side, lighting up the scene.